my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is non-phone, but it is more of a serious nature. We are going to dive right on in. Just know the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below the video if you want to put that application in. The Trevor project is looking for a Trevor space moderator. Now, this is remote throughout the United States. But the Trevor project is a suicide and crisis intervention hotline. They do things like help people who are suicidal. They help people in groups that have a lot of discrimination, such as LGBTQ groups. And they are a nonprofit. They provide 24/7 life-saving support via different kinds of communication lines such as phone, text, and chat. They are specifically looking for a moderator to run their non-phone things. So this is going to take somebody who really wants to help people and can have empathy for the different situations that people are in. But if that is you, they are looking for somebody to help contribute to their critical mission of ending suicide among lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, queer, and questioning young adults while fostering an inclusive approach direct to your work. So you're going to help grow the LGBTQ competitiveness and awareness. What they're looking for you to do is perform community management tasks and interact with the users to help them use the Trevor Space online communities. So these tasks may be approving user clubs, processing account deletions, and responding to users on the website itself through that website chat. You'll assist with the moderation of the online topics and communities to keep them fun, safe, useful, and affirming. You'll include reviewing users and content that was flagged by other users for unwanted and unsafe behavior. So you kind of troll the website and the conversations going on. Make sure there's not any hate speech going on. You'll delete those comments that are. You'll review user comment for potential violations of the community guidelines. You'll monitor the content for emerging risk and send digital resources to users posting content indicating suicidal ideation. So if you see somebody on there posting that they are suicidal, you'll send them a direct message through the website, giving them resources and the help trying to reach out and help them. They are looking for somebody who has experience managing social interactions in group settings, someone who is a proven collaborator and can approach all work and interactions with empathy and inclusion. Of course, you have to be a great communicator and focused on service delivery and adaptability, but no college degree or any degree is required. If this sounds like something that you are the person for, they are paying $28 an hour for this position. They are hiring in the continental U.S., including Alaska and Hawaii, and they are providing all the technology, so the computer equipment you need to get started. They're also going to give you a monthly internet reimbursement. And they also offer benefits, including paid time off, pet insurance, flexible spending accounts, and much more. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.